My name is Damien Di Rosario. I'm founder and CEO of V2Verify. Let me show you a quick demo of how you can use a voice biometric to log into a Base24 system. In a traditional Base24 system, your login screen would look something like this. You enter your user ID and password, and you log into the system. If you were going to use a voice biometric, you would see a screen that looks like this. In the middle of the screen, you will see a randomized number, which is a randomized token, and it's unique to each session that is created. And once you actually get into the screen, you'll pick up your phone, start up the V2 Access app, and click on the OCR login button. OCR is the optical character recognition login button. Once you click on that button, the app will turn on the camera. You point the camera at the numbers in the middle of the screen. Once that number is recognized, the app will display some random numbers on the screen. You repeat those random numbers and you get logged in. Let me show you how it works. 2515, 1568, 2827. Now, as you can see on my phone says I'm verified, I'm good to go. I press F1 and I get logged in. The process is really as simple as that. You do not have to ever remember a user ID or a password to get into a Base24 system anymore. If you have any questions or would like to see a live demo, please contact sales@v2verify.com.